Hey everybody, my name is Chronoglide, watchmaker in the Netherlands, but not in our workshop at the moment. Glorious winter day, about an hour drive of our workshop, and we just picked up such a little gem and I really want to show you. We just found it on the Dutch eBay and it is in need of some serious TLC, but I am completely in love, and see what you think. There we go. Look at that one. It's a lovely gear cutter, and we are going to use it for pinions. And it's just a lovely machine, nice and stable. So soon more. Again, plenty of work to do, but I'm so chuffed with it. Well, all of you, thank you so much. Children, don't start smoking cigarettes, very bad habit. And then again, cigars taste so much better. Hey, see you soon. See ya. Bye bye.